Hi guys, let me see exercise 4.3. Exercise 4.3 of class 7 math. Topic rational number. So here you see students about the exercise 4.3. So in exercise 4.3 you see first question is about add of rational numbers. So this is A part, B part, C part and D part are given here in question number 1. So let me see B part here. B part is that minus 3 over 8 and 5 over 8. So here you see students, in this question we have to add only. So let me see minus 3 over 8 plus 5 over 8. When denominator is same, so you can take only one, and after that the remaining numerator we can write this, and in different numbers when you add, so you see the result should be in by subtraction, that 5 minus 3, it means to say 2, and the sign should be greatest number, it means to say greatest number is 5, so sign should be here plus, and after that we can write denominators. So after writing we can divide by 2 1 and 2 4 8. So this is the solution of question number first B part, and same manner you can do students. And after that question number 2, here in question number 2, add and express the sum in lowest term. Add and express the sum in lowest term. So here is question number A part. Here you see 11 over 12 plus minus 1 over 4. So student, here you see we take LCM 12, and after taking LCM we can write this for 3 times and multiplied 3. So we can write this 11 minus 3 over 12. So after subtraction we have get here 8 over 12, and here in this question we have to find out the lowest term. It means to say here 8 and 12 divided by 4, so 2 times and 3 times. So this is the lowest term, 2 over 3. So this is the answer. Same this way you can do the B part, C part and D part. And in question 3, express the sum in the form of P over Q. So let me see students, question number 3 A part. So question number 3 A part you can take. So A part in 3 over 4 plus 2 over 3 plus minus 4 over 5. So here you see students, the denominators are different. So after different denominator you have to multiply or take a common factor from, by this the all number divide the number which we take LCM. So here you see this number should be 60, and after getting 60 LCM we divide by 4 15 times and we multiplied in numerator. So here you see 3 multiplied 15 plus and here you see 2 multiplied 20, and here you see 5 12 times, and here you see minus 4 multiplied 12. So after that you got here 45 plus 40 and minus 48 over 60. So we see here that is 85 minus 48 over 60, and subtract from 85 we got 7 3 over 60. So this is the 37 over 60 is the answer. So same this way you can do the rest, and after that 4 rearrange suitably and find the sum. So you can do these same manners, and after that fill in the blank. So make to given statement true. Question number 5 we try to solve here, students. Question number 5, that is 1 over 4 plus, this is blank space, and here you see 2. In blank space we can take any variable like you can take y. So after taking y we can write this y equal to 2 minus 1 over 4. So here you see, students, y equal to, we can take LCM 4, and after that 8 minus 1, that is 7 over 4. So this is the answer, 7 over 4. We can put here, and same this way you can do all the rest part. And question number 6, same subtraction. In the beginning part you have add here, and in subtraction you have to one things notice, when the other number should be in negative and subtraction mark is given, so sign should be changed. Let me see 6 C part, question number 6 C part here. So C part here 1 over 3 minus 5 over 3. So here you see, students, 1 over 3, and here minus, and in bracket minus sign already. So minus and minus, the sign should be changed. So we can write this 5 over 3 also. We can take LCM. After that 1 plus 5. So we got here 6 over 3. 2 times 2 is the answer of C. Same this way you can do, and subtract and express the result in lowest term. You can do yourself 6 question number, and let me see question number 8 here, students. So question number 8, let me see. The sum of two rational number is minus 4. If one of them is minus 11 over 5, find the other. So one number is minus 11 over 5, and sum of number equal to minus 4. So find other number. Let me see. Other number should be x. So x plus 4 equal to minus 11 over, x plus minus 11 over 5 equal to minus 4. And here you see x minus 11 over 5 equal to minus 4, and we can write this x equal to minus 4, and 11 over 5 we can take right hand side sign should be changed here, and this is 11 over 5. So we got here x equal to LCM 5 and here 20 plus 11. So after that we got here 9 over 5. So the second number should be minus 9 over 5. So this is the answer of question number 8. And 9 you also can do by this method. Find the rational number which is 3 more than minus 8 over 9. So you can do it yourself. And 11 number you can take, that is subtract the sum of minus 5 over 7 minus 5 over 7 and 15 over 14 from 9 over 28. So students, first we take here the sum of two number. So sum of two number minus 5 over 7 plus 15 over 14. So here you see we can take LCM 14. After taking LCM 14, you can see 2 times and minus 10 here, and that means 15. So here you see 5 over 15 is the sum of this number, and here subtract the sum of this number from 9 over 28. So here according to condition, so here 9 over 20, we subtract here 5 over 14 according to condition. So here you see the LCM should be 28, and here you see 9, and after that 2 times, that is 10. So we got here minus 1 over 28. So this is the answer of question number 11. And after that you see student, question number 12 is same. Write the additive inverse. So in question number 13, I have told you about the additive inverse, students. So additive inverse you have to take just like that, student. This is 3 over 7, and we have to find out the additive inverse. Additive inverse means the number which is given, we take opposite sign of the given number. So here you see 3 over 7, so we take negative sign here. So additive inverse should be minus 3 over 7. So minus 3 over 7 should be the additive inverse of 3 over 7. Same this way you can take, that is minus 5 over 12. So this is 5 over 12. The additive inverse of 5 minus 5 over 12, this is the negative mark, and the additive inverse should be positive mark. So that is 5 over 12. It means to say the additive inverse and the given numbers add should be 0. So let me see here, minus 5 over 12 plus 5 over 12. It means to say here we find out 0. So the given numbers negative sign should be the additive inverse of numbers. So same this way you can do all parts. Now we take student question number 14. So question number 14 we talk about. So question number 14 you see student, in a basket of fruit 1 over 3 are apple. So 1 over 3 apples and 1 over 4 are orange. 1 over 4 orange and 1 over 5 are bananas. 1 over 5 are bananas. And rest are remaining are mangoes. And total number of fruit is 240. Total number of fruit 240. So how many of each are there in basket in question number 14 we see. So let me first, students, this is the all fruits and we can subtract the all fruit from 1 over 3, 1 over 4 and 1 over 5 and minus, we can take here the LCM. So here you see the LCM should be 60. So after that 20 time and 20 plus 15 time, that is 15, and here you see 12 time. So 1 minus 2, 5, 7, 1, 1, 2 and 2, 4, 47 over 60. So here we can write this 1 minus 47 over 60. So we can take LCM 60. So after that 60 minus 47, we got here 23. So here you see, students, we take here 10, 10, 7, 3 and after that 5, 1. So this is 13 and 60. So the mango should be mangoes 13 over 60. So remaining part of mangoes is 13 over 60. After that you see, students, here we have to find out the number of fruit. So let me see the number of fruits here. So first we talk about apple. So number of fruit is here 240. So we can divide here. So here 80 apples and here you see 240. So here 60 orange and here you see 5, 4 and 5, 8, 48 bananas and the remaining part here you see 2, 40 and 30 over 60. Here 4 times. Here you see 52 mangoes. So students, here this is the number of fruit. This is the question number 14. Now we talk about the difference of two rational number is a greater number is what is the smaller number. So you can find out and do solve yourself, find the rational number which is minus 3 over 11 more than 4 over 7. So you can do it by yourself. So this is the exercise ends of 4.3 class 7. Till then,